Hi friends, my name is Jitesh and today I would like to teach you that what is the similarity between text function in SQL and text function in DAX Power BI. Okay, so let me take a table from my AdventureWorks database, which is a team employee. Okay, team employee, and let me run this command. And here you can see that first name and last name column is there. So suppose I want the first three first first three characters of the first name and last three characters of the last name. Okay, along with that I also want the first name column, first name and last name in uppercase and lowercase with proper spacing. So how I can do this in a single query? Okay, so let me write this query. Select from team employee. Okay, and I will use the left function to display first three characters of the first name column. So it will be first name comma 3. I will alias it as first 3 char. So you can alias it according to your choice also. So I will use the right function to display the last 3 characters of the last name column. So it will be last name comma 3. I will alias it as last 3 char. Okay, comma I have to use upper function for displaying the first name and last name in uppercase. Okay, so I will use upper. Along with this I have to use concat also to show first name and last name together. Okay, so it will be first name, okay, plus space, length of the space will be 2 comma last name, okay, comma lower, okay, concat first name plus space, okay, space, this length of the space will be 2 last name. Okay, and I will alias this column as upper name and this one as lower name. Okay, let me run this query now, and it is displaying me the upper name in uppercase and this one in lowercase with proper spacing, and also it is displaying me the last three characters of the last name column and first three characters of the first name column. Okay, now how to display the same result in Power BI? Let me go to my Power BI window. Okay, let me create a new column. Okay, and firstly I have to display the first three characters of the first name column. Okay, so I will use the left function. It will be the first name, number of characters will be 3. Okay, so just close the parenthesis and hit enter, and yeah, it is displaying me the first three characters of the first name column. Now for the last name we have to create a new column again, and I will name it as last three char. Okay, so syntax will be same like SQL, right? And the text is will be the my column name, which is the last name. Okay, number of characters is same as 3. Just close the parenthesis and hit enter, and it is also displaying me the last three characters of my last name. Okay, now I want the first name and last name in uppercase and lowercase with proper spacing. Okay, so uh, I will rename this column as upper concat. Okay, so I have to use upper function here, same like SQL. Along with this I have to use concatenate also. It is also same like SQL. Okay, so text one will be the first name comma I have to give spacing also here. So in double quotes I will give the spacing. Just close this parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, so it is displaying me the first name in uppercase. Okay, now let me create a new column again to concatenate both first name and last name with uppercase. Okay, so I will name it as upper name. Now upper, I will use the upper command along with this concatenate. Okay, and it will be the, now text one will be my calculated column. It will be upper concat, okay, comma last name. Okay, so let's close this parenthesis and hit enter, and see it is giving me the upper name in now uppercase with proper spacing. Okay, now let's create now lower lowercase with first name and last name. Okay, so I will name this column as lower concat. Okay, lower concat, and I will use the lower command here, same like SQL. Okay, so along with this I have to use concat also, concat. Okay, so here I have to give first name and spacing. Okay, just close the parenthesis and hit enter, and see it is also giving me the lower name in lower case. Okay, now let me create my final column now, which is the lower name. Okay, now upper concatenate. Okay, and it will be the first name comma last name. Okay, just close the parenthesis and hit enter now. Okay, so it is also giving me the lower name with, but it is not giving me some space also. So let me recheck this, that why it is not giving me the, because I have used the upper function here by mistake, so it will be the lower, and I think now it will be give some, and yeah, here also I have made some mistake also, that I have selected the first name. Instead of this, I have to selected the calculated column, which is the lower concat. Okay, so lower concat, and now I think it will give me the correct results. Yeah, now it is giving me the correct result. It is giving me the correct result, which is the lower name with proper spacing in lower case. So hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.